You're looking for a way to make money from home? Here are 7 ways to make money online using affiliate marketing only. Hi, my name is Fran from Create and Earn, where we teach you how to create a passive income online. And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways you can use affiliate marketing to create a passive income. So to make money from your home using only affiliate marketing. There are many ways to leverage affiliate marketing, and I'm going to talk about the 7 that I think they are the easiest and the most efficient. Most people make a huge thing about affiliate marketing and they try to turn it into some kind of make money fast opportunity or something. The first thing you need to understand is that affiliate marketing is just the process of you as a marketer recommending another company's product that is already created and receiving a commission for that. There are many ways of doing affiliate marketing, and here I only cover the ones that are really reliable and the ones that work long term. In order to market any product, you need to show that product to people who might be interested. You can do this using free methods, or you can do it using paid methods. And the 7 ways I'm going to cover in this video, there's a few of them are free and a few of them are paid. Once you understand them all, you can actually combine both in order to grow your business big time. What I do recommend is when you're starting out, start with free methods, so you start getting a grasp of how affiliate marketing works, and then once you start getting some sales, you can scale with paid methods. So let's get started. So number 1 is blogging. This is what most people have heard of, and this consists of you writing articles about a subject. And the key here, the idea is to be very specific about a subject. You write articles, helpful articles that help people find out more about a product or about how to achieve an objective using a certain product. And focus on the words that I'm using here. Your objective would be to be helpful to people and always around achieving an objective and around the product. This is the product you would be recommending. So you'd be writing articles, and within their article you would provide your affiliate link to that product, and your readers are able to click on that link, and if they buy the product, you will be receiving a commission. So this is a pretty straightforward method. All you need to do is understand some basic search engine optimization and do some keyword research to know what you will be writing about, so what you'll be blogging about. For more about blogging for affiliate marketing, just follow my card here and you'll find a complete video teaching you how to do this. All right, number 2 is YouTube. So just like this video, it's very similar to blogging, or you'll be creating content, so recording videos which will help your audience, so which will help a specific niche audience, a group of people that are interested in a subject they need to solve some problems. You will be helping them solve those problems through your videos, as I'm trying to do here through this video, helping you find a way to start making money online. So the concept is the same. You'll understand search engine optimization because YouTube is a search engine, and if you optimize your videos, a lot of YouTubers are not optimizing for search, but if you're doing for affiliate marketing, both blogging and YouTube, the most important thing is to have search engine optimized content. So this content will be getting views for a long time. Because anybody that types a certain question or search term in Google or in YouTube, they will be presented with your content. So the idea here is the same. You create a video and you'll give people the links, your affiliate links, in the description of that video. You'll mention in the video that you have the links in the description. And again, they will follow your affiliate links and you will get paid a commission if they buy something. I also have a video teaching YouTube for affiliate marketing, so follow the card here if you want to learn more about this one. Next, and we have Pinterest. Pinterest is also a search engine, so it has that's the same effect of your pins being discovered for a long time. So that's why I always try to use search engines, because if you manage to rank your content in that search engine, then that's why search engine optimization is so important. Then your content will be seen for a long time, and you created it once, and it starts to bring in visitors and commissions. So Pinterest is the same idea, but here you'll just be creating some images, some pins. A very good way to use Pinterest is you'll become an affiliate, an Amazon associate, so you'll become an affiliate on Amazon, and you can just recommend Amazon products on Pinterest, for example. So as I say Amazon, I'm not a big fan of Amazon affiliate system or affiliate program, but because Amazon has so many products, you can just keep pinning different products. So you'll just create images that describe the product, and with an image of the product, and you'll just keep pinning, and each of these pins will have a link to your affiliate product, to the product you are an affiliate for. In this case, to any product you can choose on Amazon. You can do this with any website. Keep in mind the niches that work best in Pinterest when you're choosing a niche. If you want to go with the Pinterest method, crafting, makeup, decoration, all these kind of things work great with Pinterest. Now, number 4 I want to recommend here is TikTok. Now, I must say that I don't personally use TikTok, but I have seen a lot of people in the affiliate marketing space having a ridiculous success using only TikTok. For some reason, videos on TikTok tend to go viral very easily, so you'll get a lot of views, and if you just provide an affiliate link, you'll be able to get commissions really fast. Now, I don't want to tell you exactly how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing because I don't use it. I know it works wonders, but I will leave a link in the description below for a TikTok course. This costs, I'm not sure, I think it's $1. You just have to, and it's very easy. They teach you exactly how they are using TikTok for affiliate marketing, and there's people making commissions in a few days only. So have a look at the description below, or follow the link you see here on the screen, and you'll find that the training teaching exactly how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. Now, these are all free methods. Anything you create using these methods is free, but you can then scale with paid traffic or with paid methods. But you can also start with the paid. The difference here is once you're creating content, the free methods, you don't spend money, but you spend a lot of time. The more time you spend, the less money you need to invest. But if you want to spend less time, you need probably to invest more time. The thing is that the methods I'm going to explain to you now, they actually pay off for your investment very easily, and you'll see how. So what I leverage in paid affiliate marketing is always using a bridge page. A bridge page is a simple page, which some people call a landing page, but specifically for affiliate marketing in this case, that it can be one page or more than one page. It can be an affiliate funnel, and I have a video as well explaining exactly how to build a bridge page and explaining the affiliate funnel idea, so you can follow it here with this card as well. The idea of a bridge page is that you position a page in between your traffic source and the affiliate link that either recommends the product or speaks about the product. The idea here is that you build an email list, so you will capture the email address in that bridge page. This is not as hard as it might sound, and I have a very easy method to do this, which I also recommend, which I also teach in my other video, the bridge page method. Then you'll just choose a traffic source. You can pay for advertising on many places. So once you build the bridge page and you are already capturing the email addresses, those people will be in your email list, and you can email them with further offers. But even if by any reason, and it's not ideal, but sometimes it happens that you spent more money to sell your initial affiliate product than the product paid you, you already have that person. It's a lead of yours, so you have that person in your email list, and it's you know what they are interested in, and you can recommend more products to them. So this is number 5 of the list is Facebook ads. So once you have a bridge page that captures an email address and then sends the person to the affiliate product, you can use Facebook ads to bring the person to the bridge page. What I do recommend here is, you're not going to be using, you shouldn't be working with simple physical products as most of the times bloggers do, or even YouTubers do with affiliate marketing. Although all these methods are interchangeable, but in order to get this to pay off, you should try to work with softwares or with digital products, which you can find in places like ClickBank. So Facebook ads work wonders with ClickBank. So the thing about Facebook ads is it's based on targeting interests. So Facebook knows everything about you, as you probably know. If you're targeting a specific audience, you will be targeting their interests. Now, next one is Google. Google advertising, or Google AdWords, is keywords targeting. So this is similar to blogging. And here's how you can start mixing these methods together. Let's say you were blogging, you've learned already about search engine optimization, about keyword research, what people search on search engines, and Google advertising is very similar. You can use keyword targeting, so you know that a person that is interested in baby sleep, they will be asking queries like, how do I get my baby to sleep? So this you can target this specific keyword and others similar. So every time somebody types this keyword, your ad will show up as a first result, and when people click, you will pay Google a few cents or to get them to your page. So they will go to your page, to your bridge page in this case. Your bridge page will talk a little bit about what you're selling or what you're recommending, because you're not selling as an affiliate marketing, you're just recommending stuff. You want to recommend a very easy method to get your baby to sleep. You'll just write a simple Google listing, which in the Google ads that you write is going to be a listing. It's just like a Google search result. So you'll say, hey, the easiest method to get your baby to sleep. Once they click, they get to your bridge page. In your bridge page, you can just show them something very simple, like a video that is not even your video. It's just the video from the seller. Product selling on places like ClickBank, for which you can become an affiliate, they have most of the times they have video sales letters, and I leverage the power of the video sales letter in this very interesting way, which you don't have to create anything. You can just leverage the power of that video to actually get the person to your email list and then to the sales page. So you'll get the commission and you'll get the email address, right? All right, so Google is keyword targeting. Then the last and 7th way I want to talk about here is Pinterest, again, but this time with paid advertising. Pinterest, you can advertise both ways. You can use the Google way and the Facebook way. So you can target interests and you can target keywords. The good thing about Pinterest is that advertising on Pinterest is much cheaper than both Google and Facebook. This will always depend on your niche once again. So the key here is that you find where does your niche fit the best, right? So where is your audience hanging? So are they on Facebook? Are they active on Facebook? Are they actively searching for stuff on Google? Are they on Pinterest? I mean, probably they are on 2 or even the 3 of them, but where do you think that they are looking for, where do you think they would buy a product? Now, as I told you in the beginning, what I recommend is that you start with a free method, and then you scale with a paid method. The interesting thing here is that, as you can see, most of these methods go together with each other. So if you started blogging, then you can add some Google advertising to it. If you started with Pinterest, you can add some Pinterest advertising to it. If you started with TikTok videos, you can create also a Facebook group and try to put them together, and then you'll do some Facebook advertising. So remember that you are building a business, so you'll try to think long term. There are methods here that will pay you like in only a few days. Just look in the description and you will find links to all my videos teaching some of these methods, and you can dive deeper into them. But think long term, think you're building a business, and eventually you'll be adding more methods and more ways to build your business up, okay? The most important thing, don't forget, is your email list. So building an email list is the top priority. Even if you use the free methods, eventually you want to start getting people into your email list, and I teach about that in other videos. Just tell me in the comments below which method do you think you're going to start first. And have you done any of it that didn't work for you in the past? If so, let me know. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more like this, and to keep learning how to create a passive income online. And for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.